Hey, everyone! There is an update from robotic marvel Figure 01. Figure 01 advancements that are taking autonomy to a whole new level. Gone are the days of manual intervention. Figure 01 now boasts autonomous navigation and force-based manipulation capabilities. Thanks to its learned vision model, Figure 01 can identify bins with precision and prioritize tasks accordingly. But what sets Figure 01 apart is its reactive bin manipulation, remaining robust even in the face of pose variations. And it doesn't stop there. Figure 01's capabilities extend beyond bin manipulation, proving to be generalizable to a variety of pick-and-place tasks. With these advancements, Figure 01 paves the way for a future where robots work seamlessly alongside humans, tackling real-world challenges with efficiency and reliability. As advancements continue, we anticipate Figure 01 seamlessly integrating into various sectors from manufacturing to logistics, streamlining processes and maximizing efficiency. Subscribe us for latest updates in the field of AI and robotics.